Good morning, welcome to AyaansEasyMath. So the question is given, x by y plus y by z plus z by x equal to 3, y by x plus z by y plus x by z is equal to 3, x plus y plus z is equal to 3. How to find the value of x, y, z? So here we are going to solve this in two ways. Solve this problem in two ways. So first one is by algebraic method, second one is by using AM and HM, arithmetic mean and harmonic mean. So those who are new to this channel, like this Olympiad, logical, critical and tough problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates and you can gain the knowledge. If you like the video, you can share the video to your friends. So here, pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you solve this problem? Is there any easy methods are there? You can comment in the comment box. So here, let us take u is equal to x by y, v is equal to y by z, and w is equal to z by x. So here we are taking u x by y, v y by z, and w equal to z by x. So now the equation will become u plus v plus w is equal to 3, 1 by u plus 1 by v plus second equation will become it is also equal to 3, and the third one okay, if you take the LCM here, what will get UVZ is the LCM UVW. So here we will get VW plus, here we will get UW plus, here we will get UV is equal to 3. So here UVW plus UW plus UV is equal to 3 into U into V into W. So here this value is equal to okay. So here UVW value if you multiply will get 1 hour. So here this value UV plus VW plus UW is equal to 3 hour. So here we can get a cubic equation, a cubic equation. So all the three values in UVW. So here we can take the variable as t cube minus here u plus v plus w into t plus, so here vw plus uw plus uv into t square here t minus uvw is equal to 0. Now if you replace the values here, t cube minus 3t square plus 3t minus 1 equal to 0. This can be written as t minus 1 whole cube is equal to 0. That implies t is equal to 1. So from this you can write therefore x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1. All the values are equal. This is the model 1. So here if you take the second model, model 2. So given u plus v plus w is equal to 3, 1 by u plus 1 by v plus 1 by w is equal to 3. Now I am finding am. Am is equal to u plus v plus w by 3. So here we'll get 3 by 3 equal to 1. So I am finding hm. Hm is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by u plus 1 by v plus 1 by w, that is equal to 1 by 3 into 3, that is equal to 1. So here generally am is greater than or equal to hm. But in this case am is equal to hm. Generally am is greater than or equal to hm if am is equal to hm, then u is equal to v is equal to w equal to 1. So here from this you can conclude that x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1. So this is the second model to get the answer. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. So if you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath.